Took the supermarket flowers from the windowsill, threw the Dior from the cup, backed up the photo album I threw and made memories of a life that's been loved. Took that get well some card and stuffed animals, poured the old ginger beer down the sink. Dad always told me, don't you cry when you're down, but Mom, there's a tear every time that I blink. Oh, I'm in pieces, it's tearing me up, but I know a heart that's broken is a heart that's been loved. So I sing hallelujah. You are an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fall down, you'll be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go, and when God takes you back, he'll say hallelujah, you're home. I float the pillows, made the beds, stacks the trays up, folded and 8 gowns nearly in a case. John said he tried, then put his hand on my cheeks and wiped a tear from the side of my face. I hope that I say the word as you did, 'cause I know a life is a life that's been lived. So I sing hallelujah. You are an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fall down, you'll be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go, and when God takes you back, he'll say hallelujah, you're home. Hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. You gotta see the person I have become. Spread your wings and I know that when God took you back, he said hallelujah, you're home.